Hello, second graders. Today we're going to estimate, which means make a guess, and then measure using paper clips. We're going to talk about, if you look up here at your paper. Okay, if we look over here, it says a paper clip is a unit that can be used to measure the length of the pencil. A unit is something you use to measure. In this case, it's going to be a paper clip. It could be cubes, it could be inches, it could be centimeters, millimeters, all kinds of things. But today, we're going to use paper clips. So you will need paper clips. All right, so let's get started. You should find my tape measurer, you should find the paper clips on the lunch stick table. Grab at least 6. When you're done with the paper clips, please put them back. I expect you to be safe, responsible, and respectful to these paper clips so I can reuse them. They are not yours to keep. We are not undoing them so they are pokey. Keep them in the state that you found them. Number 1, they've already done, but we're going to talk about it real quick. They estimated, so they guessed, oh, how long is from here on the tape measure, or not tape measure, from the tape dispenser to here, how long would that be? And they said they thought it was going to be 3 paper clips long, and then they measured. They're probably bigger than that. There's 1 paper clip, 2 paper clips, 3, and they would actually use the paper clips to measure. Okay, and then they said it was actually about 2. They said about because it was close to. It wasn't exactly, it was about. Number 2, you need to find a marker. Take the cap off, and you are going to measure from here to here. Put the paper clips down, and you're going to measure. Actually, just use this picture. You're not using an actual one. And you're going to measure by placing the paper clips down. Okay, how many? Guess how many it is. Take a guess, and then measure. Go to the next page. Okay, on this page, this is where you find the actual items and you measure them. So, number 3, you need to find a book. Estimate how long it is from the spine, right here, to the edge of the book laying down flat. Guess, take your guess, and then actually measure it with your paper clips. Okay, I will have a crayon box for you to measure. You're going to measure the bottom of the crayon box from here to here. Guess, and then measure. A notebook, take your journal, your writing journal, and measure. And then your desk, go ahead at the bottom of your desk and measure from here to here using a paper clip. Number 7, use the best estimate of length of the book, this actual book right here, the picture of it. About how long do you think that is? About 3 paper clips, about 5 paper clips, about 9 paper clips. Remember, estimate is a guess. It's okay if it's wrong. Go to the back. Okay, number 8, use paper clips to measure each line. Circle the line that is the longest. So you're going to measure line 1 first, okay, and then you're going to write about how long that is. Then measure line 2, about how many paper clips long is that, and then line 3, measure about how long those are and write the answer there. Number 9, Zach finds an object that is about 4 paper clips long, which shows what that object could be. Could it be a penny, a marker with its cap off, the teacher's desk, or a chair? And then number 10, write a story about your hand. Measure it using paper clips. So you're going to write a story about my hand, your hand, and then you need to measure how long your hand is with paper clips. If I'm looking at a hand, this is my lousy drawing of a hand, but if that's my hand, measure from the bottom to the top right here, okay? And then put how many paper clips long it is. When you are done, take it home. And then you can get on front row until it's ready to switch.